Hi, hey, this is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something for you to check out, all the way from Mexico. This is the third in the series of Intensos varieties from Nissin, their cup noodle line in Mexico. And this is DIABLO. The devil. Oh, he's going to get you. So, yeah. I actually did a mukbang with it yesterday, and it went off pretty good. This is tasty. It's not meant to kill you. Although it's got a decent kick to it. I think a lot of people would be like, whoa, that's just too hot for me, dude. But, you know, everybody has a different level of heat that they enjoy. Everybody has different reasons for it seems like. If that makes any sense. See, it feels to me a lot of the time like a lot of people just eat the spicy stuff because they want to say, I'm buying ass, rootin' tootin'. But that's just like nuts. There we go. Lid down. And you. 3 minutes, please. You. So, I don't know. What's going on today? Well, this morning, it got down to 22 degrees outside. And I've been doing my walking thing, but like the last 2 chances I had to, it's just been so dang cold, and I didn't know what to do. I don't want my daughter to like completely freeze, so I'm like, what do I do? Well, today we bundled her up like in the extreme. She had like a jacket, a coat, mittens, a pair of what do you call them? They're like a sweater, but it's like pants, leggings, or something like that. And then pants on top of that, and then socks on top of that, and shoes on top of that, and a blanket, and yeah. So she was all set up. Getting down to the store was no big deal, and I didn't do like a long walk today. I was like, I'm just gonna go to the store, gonna get Miles some graham crackers, and come straight back. Well, we were good until we got to the store. Everything was fine there. On the way back, though, I'd say about halfway back, she got ticked off, and I looked down, and she had, like, one mitten was off, and I was looking for the other one, because I was like, let's see your other hand. Oh, that one's not on either. And she had her hood down. So, obviously, it was just a little too cold for her. It was definitely too cold for me. I wasn't wearing any mittens and junk like that. I was just wearing a t-shirt, my coat, and a baseball cap. No gloves or nothing. And yeah, so we got back and she was happy. But yeah, it got down last night. I think when we left it was probably like 24 degrees. So that's just like, wow. But generally she's a really good little traveler. You know, she's like, as long as we're moving, I'm good, yo. If we stop, she'll get cranky. That's the same way in the car, too. If there's traffic, she gets mad. She has road rage. So, but, yeah. Graham crackers are over there. So, we did what we needed to do. It's pretty hard, because I really, really, really like to go walking and stuff, but obviously I don't want her to, like, lose her mind because she gets so dang cold. She's too cute for that. Can't have that happen. So, if you have the internet, what you should do is you should go and look at my new channel, if you could. the chocolate break. There's a chocolate break channel now. If you go over there and you subscribe, you'll probably get something new to look at about once a week. You do that for me? Go ahead and do that. Noodles. But yeah, here in Washington State, these things called Frangos are really popular. And through looking around, it looks like maybe they were popular in Chicago as well. Back there they had Marshall Fields, and out here we had Frederick and Nelson. And just big department store from back in the day. I've already had this, but I'm actually going to do the review itself today. I like it. It's got a heat, it's got some cumin, it's got a little bit of almost a puckeriness to it, very crisp. Yeah, I'm totally down with this. This was a fun mukbang to do. Unlike the last one, 1 week ago today. Well, not in your time, but you know what I mean. Alright. So 1 week, yeah, 1 week ago today I did the Cullies. Oh my god. If you're not familiar with that, Cullies makes this stuff called the world's hottest ramen noodles, and you know, yeah, you'll have to wait till the list comes out, but it's a pretty apt name, let me tell you. And I appreciate them very much for reaching out to me to try their stuff. The spicy world is very, very different from the noodle world. The spicy world, there's a lot of like, how do I put it? Pissing contests? I can piss farther than you. You know, that kind of thing. Basically, a lot of people just, it kind of like, it's ridiculous. Come on. This is what's ridiculous. Let go of that egg. Why is this happening to me lately? You should just be falling right out of there like there's nobody's business. There you go. I just made these eggs this morning and they should just be like absolutely beautiful. But I need my scissors. Here's some scissors. Scissors of the kitchen. Pretty. And let's see, we got egg. And I actually sous vide'd this chicken. Yeah, I did that. Did that earlier. Oh, but do I want to use chicken in this? I don't think so. I think egg's good. Egg. Some onion. I really don't know how much farther I want to go. I've got some hot sauce, but I don't know. I could do some cheese. That's looking pretty good right there, I think. I think I'm gonna go with the too much can be too much, and what is it? If you don't put enough in, you can always put in more, but if you put too much in, then you're in trouble. Oh boy. But yeah, this is Diablo. It's spicy. It is of the devil. And it's quite tasty, too. I know what I'll put on there. I know. Where'd it go? Here, you can't go wrong with this. We got some crispy onions. There we go. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, well, hey. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.